Hi, Megan.
Hi.
I am so glad that we get to chat about AI. This is going to be really great because roots is so much a part of Canadian culture. And so I'm wondering, how do you bridge the roots culture and what it's known for in its history with AI innovation?
We're not going to day one go from a business that did manufacturing, distribution, retail to next day be all AI focused. But if we can encourage people to really be focused on how do you test, learn, trial different types of things, then we think we can create that digital mindset that'll help us drive the future.
Customers these days, they want a personalized experience.
Yeah.
How are you using AI to provide that?
So I'll give you some examples. So when you think about if you've gone to my online store and you bought just kids products from me in the past, when you come back and you get an email from me or you go and search my website, you want to be served up something that's relevant to you, that takes into consideration how you've engaged with me in the past. And then the second one is on the physical landscape. The obvious example is if you go to a store in Paris versus going to a store in Blue Mountain, you're expecting there to be differences in terms of what's offered to you. Well, what about if you're at Yonge and St. Clair versus Bloor? Should you have a difference? So how do you deal on a micro level with those differences in terms of how consumers are shopping and that behavior? So for us, the AI is a layer on top of the additional stuff that we're already doing in terms of data warehouse and customer data platform, and it's also an augmentation thing for us.
Was it daunting when you started along this AI journey?
I was excited about the advent of AI because I could see that when you look at some of the legacy companies, what a significant leap you can make by implementing some of these AI technologies, which is fantastic. I think there's a lot of opportunities in terms of how you think about AI, and I think there's a lot of challenges, and definitely it's daunting in certain ways, but I think it's also very exciting.
Well, thank you, Megan, for taking the time to chat with me. This has been thrilling.
Thanks for having me.